Have you ever noticed your cat having mouth discomfort? If so, your feline friend might be experiencing something called stomatitis. Stomatitis, while not a household term, is a common condition in cats that can lead to serious discomfort and health complications if left untreated. It's a condition that inflames the mouth and gums, making it painful for our beloved pets to eat, drink, and sometimes even breathe. Understanding stomatitis is crucial for any cat owner, not only for the well-being of your pet, but also for their quality of life. Even if your cat isn't showing signs now, being familiar with this condition can help you spot potential symptoms early. In this video, we'll dive into the world of feline stomatitis, shedding light on what it is, how cats get it, and most importantly, how to treat it. So, whether you're a seasoned cat parent or a new kitty caretaker, this information is vital. Stay tuned to learn more about stomatitis, its causes, symptoms, and treatments. You might ask, what exactly is stomatitis? Well, let's delve into that. Stomatitis, in the simplest of terms, is a severe, painful inflammation of a cat's mouth and gums. But it's not just a fancy word for a toothache or a sore mouth. Oh no, it's much more severe than that. Imagine the worst toothache you've ever had. Now multiply that by 10 and imagine that pain encompassing your entire mouth. That's what a cat with stomatitis is dealing with. The pain can be so intense that it can prevent your feline friend from eating, drinking, and even grooming themselves. This condition can affect various parts of the mouth. It's not limited to the gums. The inflammation can spread to the tongue, the back of the mouth, the throat, and even the lips. In essence, stomatitis is a full mouth problem, and it's as uncomfortable as it sounds. Stomatitis is not a condition that develops overnight. It's a chronic issue, which means it persists over a long period of time, often getting worse if left untreated. It's not a simple mouth sore that will go away with a bit of time and patience. It's a persistent, nagging pain that can seriously affect a cat's quality of life. Now, you might be wondering, why are we talking about this? Why is it important to know about stomatitis? Well, because understanding what stomatitis is can help in recognizing the signs early and seeking treatment promptly. Early detection can make a world of difference in managing this condition and ensuring your cat can live a happy, pain-free life. So, in a nutshell, stomatitis is an intense chronic inflammation of the mouth and gums that can cause severe pain and discomfort for cats. It's a condition that requires immediate attention and treatment to prevent it from escalating and causing further harm. Stomatitis is more than just a simple mouth sore. It's a condition that can seriously affect your cat's quality of life. So, let's dive deeper into the causes, symptoms, and treatment options in our next scenes. Stay tuned. Now you know what stomatitis is, but what causes it? Well, the answer isn't as clear-cut as we'd like it to be. The causes of stomatitis in cats are multifaceted and can often be difficult to pinpoint. That said, let's delve into some of the most common causes. Firstly, stomatitis can be triggered by dental disease. This encompasses a range of issues from periodontal disease, which is inflammation and infection of the tissues surrounding the teeth, to gingivitis, an inflammation of the gums. Bacteria from these dental diseases can enter the bloodstream and cause a widespread inflammatory response, including in the mouth, leading to stomatitis. Next on our list of culprits are viral infections. Cats are susceptible to a variety of viruses that can cause inflammation in the mouth. One such virus is the feline calicivirus, which can cause ulcers and lesions in the mouth. Another is the feline immunodeficiency virus, which can cause a weakened immune system and thus make a cat more susceptible to infections, including in the mouth. Speaking of the immune system, it also plays a significant role in stomatitis. In some cases, a cat's immune system can overreact to plaque on the teeth, causing excessive inflammation in the mouth. This hypersensitive immune response can result in stomatitis. It's like your cat's body is trying to protect itself, but in doing so, it inadvertently causes harm. And while we're on the topic, it's important to note that certain breeds of cats, such as Siamese and Abyssinians, are more prone to developing stomatitis. So genetics can also play a role in this condition. It's also worth mentioning that stress can exacerbate stomatitis. Just like in humans, stress in cats can weaken the immune system, making them more susceptible to health issues, including stomatitis. As you can see, the causes of stomatitis are varied and complex. It's a tangled web of potential triggers, from dental disease and viral infections to an overactive immune system response and even stress. By recognizing the potential causes of stomatitis, you're one step closer to protecting your cat's health. So, how can you tell if your cat has stomatitis? It's not always easy, as our feline friends are masters at hiding their discomfort. However, there are a few signs you can look out for. The most common symptoms of stomatitis include difficulty eating or refusal to eat, excessive drooling, bad breath, and visible inflammation in the mouth. Imagine your cat suddenly showing less interest in their favorite meals, or perhaps they're struggling to chew their food. This change in eating behavior could be a red flag that something's amiss. It's not normal for cats to lose their appetite, especially if it's sudden and sustained. This could be a sign of discomfort or pain in their mouth due to stomatitis. Next, let's talk about drooling. While a little bit of drooling can be normal for some cats, especially during sleep or relaxation, excessive drooling is definitely not. If your cat is drooling more than usual, it may be due to the discomfort or pain caused by stomatitis. Bad breath is another common symptom. Sure, your cat's breath might not always be minty fresh, but if it starts to smell particularly foul, it could be a sign of an oral problem like stomatitis. It's this bad breath that often leads owners to investigate further and discover inflammation or sores in the mouth. Speaking of which, visible inflammation in the mouth is perhaps the most telling sign of stomatitis. If your cat allows you, gently lift their lips and inspect their gums. You may see red, swollen gums or even ulcers. However, remember to be gentle and cautious, as this could be painful for your cat. Now, why is recognizing these symptoms important? Well, the earlier you can detect stomatitis, the better the chances of managing it effectively and reducing your cat's discomfort. Regular checks and early detection are key to ensuring your cat's oral health. Identifying these symptoms early can make a world of difference for your cat. So, stay vigilant. And remember, when in doubt, always consult your vet. Scene script. Stomatitis sounds scary, but what can you do about it? Indeed, the thought of your feline friend suffering from stomatitis can be daunting, but there are various treatment options available that can help your pet lead a comfortable and happy life. Firstly, let's talk about dental cleanings. It might sound simple, but a regular professional dental cleaning can go a long way in managing stomatitis. This is because stomatitis is often caused by dental plaque and tartar buildup, so keeping your cat's teeth clean can help prevent the condition from worsening. Then there are antibiotics. These are often prescribed by vets to control the infection and reduce inflammation. Remember, stomatitis is a chronic condition, so antibiotics are typically used as a short-term solution to provide relief from symptoms. On the other hand, corticosteroids can also be used to reduce inflammation and pain. However, they are not a long-term solution due to potential side effects. In more severe cases of stomatitis, where the condition doesn't respond well to other treatments, tooth extraction may be considered. This might sound extreme, but it can help alleviate symptoms significantly. The rationale behind this is that removing teeth eliminates the surfaces where plaque and tartar can accumulate, thus reducing the inflammation in the mouth. Of course, these treatment options should always be discussed with your vet. Every cat is unique, and what works for one may not work for another. It's important to remember that treating stomatitis is not just about managing symptoms, but also about improving the overall quality of life for your cat. In addition to these treatments, managing your cat's diet and providing soft foods can also help reduce discomfort while eating. Lastly, remember that stomatitis is a chronic condition. It's important to maintain regular checkups with your vet to monitor your cat's condition and adjust treatments as necessary. With proper treatment and care, your cat can live a comfortable and happy life, even with stomatitis. Today, we've learned a lot about stomatitis in cats. It's a mouth inflammation that can cause our feline friends quite some discomfort. We've understood that stomatitis can be caused by a number of factors, including dental disease and viruses. Early detection of the symptoms is vital. Watch out for bad breath, drooling, difficulty eating, and signs of pain when your cat is yawning or grooming. Remember, cats are experts at hiding discomfort, so any change in behavior is a call for attention. We've also discussed various treatment options. While there is no one-size-fits-all solution, professional veterinary advice is crucial, as the treatment may range from dental cleaning and dietary changes to medications, and, in severe cases, surgery. It's important to understand this condition to ensure your cat's health and happiness. Remember, your cat relies on you for their health. Stay vigilant, stay informed, and help your cat live its best life.